This is Nepenthes tenuis. It already has a large pitcher. There is no digestive fluid inside the pitcher. Due to shipping arrangements, the digestive fluid inside may have been discarded. A new pitcher is also forming. I want to do my best to successfully develop a large pitcher. Now, I'll proceed with repotting. Since Nepenthes tenuis dislikes overly wet soil, I drilled several holes in the pot. Fill with medium-grade Canuma soil up to this line. Next, remove any fine particles from the perlite. Because Nepenthes tenuis dislikes excessive moisture, use a generous amount of perlite. Mix perlite at a ratio of 6 parts to Canuma soil at a ratio of 4 parts. Next, remove the Nepenthes tenuis from its pot. Coconut husk chips are attached to the roots. Forcing them off could damage the roots, so I'll plant it without removing them. After adding some soil, decide where to position the Nepenthes. Once the spot is chosen, add more soil. Spreading perlite on top prevents the Canuma soil from shifting when watering. It should look like this. Water from the top. When the water draining out the bottom runs clear, you're done. The reason for using Canuma soil in the pot bottom is to make it easier to tell when to water. Canuma soil turns whitish when dry, so I water it at that point. I'll make a video showing the growth of Nepenthes tenuis going forward. If you're interested, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos. If you liked this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Check out my other unboxing videos here. Thank you for watching.